Hi everyone. Today in this video, I wish to share one important feature while sharing your smartphone with your friends. So let's get started. Let me not keep it more suspense. Like sometimes you have to share your phone with your friends, and it is the scenario which occurs often when your phone is one of the best phone in your group, and it has one of the best camera. When all people ask your phone for sharing your camera with them, you can't deny them every time, but you can't even share because your phone contains some personal and important data which you don't wish to share with everyone. And even if you keep app lock, your friends, you can't show them the fingerprint of your phone, so you can't add them as a fingerprint, so you have to show them your pattern or passcode through which your phone can be unlocked. So it is a tedious job to share password or pattern and keep changing them each and every time. One of the best way I found is user section. See, I have this in on my OnePlus phone. I don't know whether you have it on your phone or not. If you have it, then you can use it. It's a awesome feature while sharing with your friends. So what you can do is you can just scroll down the notification panel, and you can see an option called like user. There you can see all the users coming. Actually, you find something called SK, right? That's actual my profile, and what you find Surya is my dummy profile which I've created. So you can see the phone is very clean. You don't have many apps. The phone is pretty clean, and I can easily share. And if people want, they can easily access my camera and those things. So this way I don't tend to share my phone and secure data with them. If they try, like they never try to, like our friends never try to intrude into our things, but if you provide them this way, then you don't have to provide them your passcode or pattern. I find this is one of the best way you can do. You can just switch the user, and just make sure that you connect one of the dummy email IDs to this profile, and install some apps like share it, so that if your friend uses it for camera, then you can share the photos once they have taken, and you don't have to again face problems with this temporary user. So just link it with a temporary email ID or a dummy email ID, and install some sharing apps like ES Explorer, share it, so that you can easily share the data which they have used. Because some people ask, like can I use your Chrome for some time? Then instead of sharing the Chrome with them, you can just give this temporary user where they can use the Chrome, and you don't have to face any risk. Even if some people try to screw up your phone and try to cause some issue to you by genuinely asking. So anyways, in order to avoid some unexpected issues, and even to keep privacy with your friends while sharing your device, you can use this multiple user option. I guess this is an Android Oreo powered feature, and even you would also have this feature in your phone. Just try it out, and let me know through the comment section of how you feel this technique or trick while sharing your device with your friends. And if you have a better option to share your device with your friends, then let me know through the comment section. It will be helpful both to me and our viewers. So hope this video was helpful to you and you like it. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more related videos. Thanks for watching this video. Have a fantastic day. Bye.
You say you wanna try, but you never